What's up, YouTube? It's Danny L back with another video. I hope you're doing well this evening. This is a DIY box braids, how I do my daughter's box braids to save my coins, because I don't have over $100 to be getting box braids done. I don't know about you, but I don't. So we're gonna have to parlay and do it ourselves, right? Okay, so I am using this hair from a YouTuber, Beauty Can Braid. You may be familiar with her. Her hands are from like outer space, and she braids like she's like the bomb braider. Anyway, I ordered some hair from her site. It's called Ez-Braid Professional. It is already clean and pre-stretched. Like, they did all the work for me, all the hard work. I don't have to soak it in apple cider vinegar. I mean, I could have, and I probably should have anyway, but I didn't have time for that since it already came clean. So you can go to her channel if you want to look at this type of hair. I ordered 6 packs. I only used 5 and got 1 pack left. So I'm using scrunchie for the gathering. I'm using Shine and Jam, and I'm using a rat tail comb. So let's get into the video. As you can see, I've already started braiding her hair the day before. She was home from school, so I decided to just start braiding her hair. It's already clean and blow dried. I didn't use any oils. I didn't put any grease in it. The only substance I am using is the Shine and Jam gel to keep her hair together while I am braiding. If you notice, I am using a parting style, which is called the upside down U, and this gives the box braids a little bit of space between each braid, and it's not like clear cut across in a box shape. I don't remember whose channel this was that I got it from, but I like the parting style. So here we're all complete with the braids. I finished up the last braid, and now I'm just gonna seal her ends. If you leave the ends out too much, they'll start unraveling even when you seal them with the hot water. So just be sure to, try to braid as far down on the braid as you can. So we're all complete. I really like the way these braids came out. I love the parting style. I'd have to find out the channel that I got this from, but I really like the upside down U because it gives the braids their own spaces and it's not too boxy looking. She likes the style. I like it. Let me know in the comments below if you like it. And I will see you in the next video. Thanks for watching. Bye.